Elsa and the Enchanted Winter Wonderland. Elsa and the Enchanted Winter Wonderland. Once upon a time, in a kingdom far, far away, there lived a magical snow queen named Elsa. She was known for her ability to control ice and snow, creating beautiful winter landscapes wherever she went. Elsa ruled over a land covered in snow and ice, and the people in her kingdom loved the enchanting winter wonderland she created. Elsa had a heart as cold as ice, but not in a mean way. She was just reserved and kept her emotions hidden. Despite her magical abilities, she often felt lonely in her icy palace. She longed for companionship and warmth, but she was afraid that her powers might hurt those she cared about. One day, as Elsa was strolling through her kingdom, she discovered a mysterious portal hidden deep in the snowy woods. Curiosity got the better of her, and she decided to enter it. To her surprise, she found herself in a magical realm filled with talking animals, friendly snowmen, and sparkling crystals. As Elsa explored this new world, she stumbled upon a group of adorable creatures called frostlings. These tiny beings were made of pure snow and ice, and they were the guardians of the enchanted winter wonderland. The frostlings were delighted to meet Elsa, their snow queen, and they welcomed her with open arms. Elsa soon became friends with the frostlings, and they showed her the most beautiful and magical places in their realm. Together, they created ice sculptures, went sledding down sparkling hills, and had snowball fights that echoed with laughter. One day, Elsa discovered a frozen lake in the heart of the enchanted winter wonderland. The lake was surrounded by ancient ice trees that glittered like diamonds. In the center of the lake, there was a magnificent ice castle that seemed to shimmer with a mysterious glow. The frostlings explained that the ice castle was a symbol of the winter spirit, a powerful force that brought joy and wonder to the world. However, the winter spirit had been dormant for many years, and the enchantment that once filled the kingdom was fading away. Elsa felt a connection to the winter spirit, and she knew she had to help revive it. With the frostlings by her side, she embarked on a quest to gather magical crystals scattered across the enchanted winter wonderland. Each crystal held a piece of the winter spirit's magic, and Elsa needed to collect them to restore balance to the realm. Throughout their journey, Elsa and the frostlings faced challenges and overcame obstacles. They encountered mischievous snow imps, solved riddles from ancient ice guardians, and even befriended a wise polar bear who shared his knowledge of the winter spirit. As Elsa collected the magical crystals, she could feel the warmth returning to her heart. She realized that her powers were not just a source of isolation. They were a gift that could bring joy and beauty to the world. Finally, after many adventures, Elsa and the frostlings reached the ice castle. With the gathered crystals, Elsa performed a magical dance, and the castle came to life with a dazzling display of lights and colors. The winter spirit awakened, spreading its enchantment throughout the enchanted winter wonderland. The once dormant land now teemed with life and laughter. The snowmen danced, the ice trees sparkled brighter than ever, and the frozen lake transformed into a magical ice rink where everyone could skate and play. Elsa, now surrounded by friends and the restored magic of the winter spirit, felt a warmth in her heart that she had never experienced before. She realized that true magic came not just from controlling ice and snow, but from the bonds of friendship and the joy shared with others. With the enchanted winter wonderland thriving once again, Elsa bid farewell to her new friends, promising to visit whenever she could. As she stepped back through the mysterious portal, she brought the magic of the winter spirit back to her own kingdom. From that day forward, Elsa ruled not just as the Snow Queen, but as the Queen of Winter Joy. She shared her powers and created a kingdom where the magic of winter brought people together, filling their hearts with warmth and happiness. And so, the tale of Elsa and the enchanted winter wonderland became a legendary story told to children around the world, reminding them that true magic lies not only in the extraordinary, but in the love and friendship we share with others. And as the snow fell softly outside, Children would dream of a winter wonderland where Elsa's enchanting legacy lived on forever.